Hey, everyone, welcome back to the channel. Looking for the perfect stroller to keep your little one comfy and safe on the go? In today's video, we're checking out the best baby strollers that combine comfort, safety, and convenience for both parents and babies. Whether you're looking for a lightweight model, an all-terrain stroller, or something with extra storage, we've got you covered. All product links are in the description below. Let's dive in and find the perfect stroller for your family. Number 5. MAMAZING Lightweight Baby Travel Stroller. The MAMAZING Lightweight Baby Travel Stroller in the jet color is built for busy families seeking convenience without giving up on comfort or style. At only 11.6 pounds, its carbon fiber frame keeps it light while offering strong support for daily use and travel. One-handed folding system makes setup and storage quick, fitting easily into airplane bins or compact car trunks. This stroller is designed to suit toddlers up to 50 pounds or just under 40 inches tall. The smooth fold and unfold process helps parents save time during outings, whether it is for errands or family trips. UPF 50+ sun canopy shields little ones from sunlight while keeping the ride cool and shaded. The canopy adjusts to match sun angles, ensuring comfort through every stroll. Although the frame is compact, the storage space does not fall short. A roomy basket under the seat carries everything from diapers to toys and snacks, keeping hands free and movement easy. Number 4. Mompush Wiz 2-in-1 Convertible Baby Stroller. The Mompush Wiz 2-in-1 Convertible Baby Stroller in the sage color is designed for newborns and infants, offering comfort and function throughout early growth stages. The seat easily transitions into a bassinet mode, giving newborns a cozy place to rest during walks. It also fits select car seats, though adapters are not included. Bassinet mode for newborns provides a smooth ride and proper rest during early development. This stroller allows flexibility with a reversible seat. You can keep your baby close by turning the seat inward or face it outward to let them take in their surroundings. Parents can change positions to match the baby's mood and needs. Reversible seat positioning helps personalize each stroll. Faux leather handles and smooth-turning wheels allow gentle navigation across different terrains. Its compact fold and strong build make it a convenient option for travel and everyday use. A spacious basket under the seat helps carry baby gear, snacks, and other needs. The stroller fits into small trunks or closets without taking up too much room. Large canopy with protection shields your child from strong sunlight and includes airflow panels for comfort on warmer days. Number 3. Graco Mode's Pramette Baby Stroller. The Graco Mode's Pramette travel system in the Ellington color provides a full solution for parents seeking flexibility from newborn days to toddler years. It changes from an infant car seat carrier to a Pramette, then to a toddler stroller, making it useful across different growth stages. The design supports daily travel and family outings with comfort and security. 3-in-1 stroller modes give growing families more long-term value. Its seat design can face forward or toward the parent, letting caregivers maintain interaction or offer a full view of the world. The Pramette mode offers a cozy space for newborns to relax during walks. Reversible seat adjustment adapts easily as the baby develops new preferences. The travel system includes the Graco Snug Ride 35 Lite DLX car seat, which fits infants from 4 pounds up to 35 pounds in weight. Number 2. Kolcraft Cloud Plus Baby Stroller. The Kolcraft Cloud Plus lightweight toddler umbrella baby stroller in slate gray is designed for parents looking for a simple and efficient stroller for daily use and travel. Its lightweight build makes it easy to manage on the go, even when handling multiple tasks. Families who need something practical for outings will appreciate the Easy Fold system. Compact Easy Fold design supports quick storage at home or during trips. Its sun protection setup includes a large 3-tier canopy, keeping children shaded while allowing visibility through the peekaboo window. This helps parents stay connected with their child during walks or outdoor errands. Front suspension wheels ride smoothly on different surfaces, creating a stable feel even in busy places. Whether for theme parks or neighborhood strolls, this stroller keeps things light and flexible. Number 1. Baby Trend Easy Ride 35 Baby Stroller. The baby trend Easy Ride 35 travel system in the Doodle Dots design provides a complete stroller and car seat solution for parents who value comfort and convenience. Designed with a smooth push and easy control, this travel system is ideal for everyday errands or outdoor walks. The materials include polyester, plastic, and metal, offering lasting support. 3-position height, handle helps accommodate different users with ease. Available in multiple color options. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.